Kumusta? This is Jomer, and after 7 years, naisipan ko nang i-share sa inyo ang buhay ko bilang ALT dito sa Japan. Come with me today. Of course, I woke up early today kasi may ALT orientation kami. Naligo ako, nag-ayos, at naghanda para sa araw. So I usually walk 10 minutes from my house to the station. Magandang paraan ito para makapag-isip at ma-relax bago magsimula ang araw. As an ALT or Assistant Language Teacher, tinutulungan namin ang mga estudyante dito sa Japan sa English class. We prepare materials and think of fun activities para mas maengganyo sila sa language learning. It took me 8 minutes by train, tapos konting lakad na lang papunta sa Educational Center building kung saan gaganapin ang aming orientation. So during our orientation, pinag-usapan namin ang mga dapat gawin sa school year, paano makipag-communicate kung may concern, at paano kumilos bilang isang public servant. The meeting lasted for 2 hours. Fun fact, karamihan sa mga ALT dito sa Japan ay mga Pilipino rin, and it's great to see fellow kababayans around. At ayun nga, it's spring now. Napakagandang magmasdan ng mga cherry blossom. At alam nyo ba na 2 weeks lang ang tinatagal nito? Sana lahat kayong nanonood ay makita ito sa personal. At home, I started preparing my materials na gagamitin ko this school year. And yes, I'll be teaching from 1st to 6th graders. Proud elementary teacher here. And then, that's it. I usually sleep at 11 p.m. tapos gigising ako ng 7 a.m. Ganyan ang buhay ko as an ALT. So see you in my next vlog.